Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Abhinav Seth and welcome to my YouTube channel Seth Market Analysis. Well, let's talk about Nifty's weekly chart today. I've put in a weekly chart on the top, and Nifty will understand how it may behave in the next week. Next week's trade. Next week is a small week. We have a holiday on Monday for Gandhi Jayanti, and from Tuesday to Friday we'll have three expiries. We'll have an expiry for Fin Nifty on Tuesday, for Bank Nifty on Wednesday, and for Nifty on Thursday. So let's understand and learn more about how Nifty may behave. So Nifty ended up with a loss of 35 points in last week's trade. We made a small doji candle here, and this is a very important as well as a very dangerous candle in terms of trade. So let's learn more about it. But in the previous week, Nifty closed at around minus 500 points, 513 points or something. So we had a large, big red candle last week, and this week we closed up with a just loss of 35 points, and basically Nifty did nothing but consolidated here. So what is a doji candle? Doji candle is a indecisive candle. Indecisiveness among buyers and sellers, or bulls and bears. Nifty is not able to decide whether it will go up or whether it will go down. So when it goes up, sellers try to push it down. When it goes down, buyers buy on dip and tries to push it up. So that is why it ended up closing flat near to the previous week's close. Also, it is closing near to the opening price when it opened on Monday. So very indecisiveness and very dangerous trade in the Nifty right now. So in the doji candle, the highs and lows of the doji candle becomes very important for us for the next week's trade. So let's just understand that. Let me zoom in the chart a bit. So Nifty created a high of 19,775 in the last week and created the low of 19,500 or 498 or something, right? So these levels become very important for us. If Nifty trades between this range, right? If Nifty trades between this range, it may become very volatile and very sideways market, just the way we saw in the last couple of sessions on Thursday and Friday. Nifty may go down very sharply and may come back, or maybe may stay there and eat premiums of the options. So it becomes very dangerous to trade here. So as long as it is trading within the range, you need to trade very cautiously and ensure you do with the 1/10 or 1/20th of your quantity that you normally trade in. But once it crosses these levels, so if it crosses 19,777 to 800 level, and start trading above it. So okay, now that we are looking at the weekly chart, the closing above this becomes very important. Not that it crosses above, it goes above 19,825 and then trades here, and then suddenly you see fall down, right? And it comes back and trades within this range. No, I'm not talking about that. What I'm talking about is it has to give one day close above this. So if Nifty starts closing above 19,800 for the one day, and the next day it opens up, gap up, or it opens flat and trades above this level, then we can see it Nifty going back and testing these highs again. So the first level obviously can become 20,000 level. That Nifty, let me just zoom out again, sorry, so that it helps you, clear the levels in the chart. So if I zoom it out a bit, if Nifty goes up and crosses this 19,877, 800 level, then this will be the first resistance level, which is 20,000. This was the previous high that we created. So Nifty will go ahead and test that, and if it consolidates here for a day or let's say half a day, and then it crosses this, the next level to watch out will be 20,200 and 20,000 to 188 to 222 level, where Nifty made a previous life high. So these will be the two levels to watch out for, and if it, in case it becomes very bullish and it crosses this level, the next level to watch out will be 20,500. This is on the higher side. And if it goes down, which is the pattern so far, if it crosses 19,500, let me just zoom out again and then zoom into the downside. So if Nifty crosses 19,800 level, 19,500 level to the downside, then this is the next level that Nifty will be trading at. This will the previous support that Nifty took. This was 19,200, right? Nifty can come back and test this again. So if you have observed, Nifty had a move. Nifty made a consolidation here. Nifty broke out of this range, made high, then came down and tested, and we consolidated at this range. This was the same breakout range that we consolidated. So this range, this doji candle becomes all the more important because it is made at the support level that we crossed last time, right? And now when it beats it, this was the last support level that last swing high that Nifty got. So 19,200 becomes the first target for us. If Nifty goes below 19,488, 477, again, if Nifty crosses 477 to the lower side and comes back, it does not count. Nifty has to close one day below this level, and then next day it should either go gap down or trades comfortably below this level, like let's say it closes below 470, 77 level, and then next day trades around 450, 55 level, then you'll see sharp movement downwards towards this level, which is 19,200 will be the first target to the downside. And if it manages to consolidate here again a day or so and then breaks this level, which is the last swing high, which so we actually last time we consolidated with the range 3 weeks in this range, right, between 19,500 and 19,200. So it is a very, very strong support for us. 19,200 is a very strong support. So I mean, it's not easy to break this level. It has to stop here and consolidate here. It's not that it will go sharp downwards. It has to consolidate here at least for a day. So if it breaks this level, then we'll see a further downward movement, and this will be the next level. 19,650 will be the first target, and the third target would be 19,500 level. So the three levels to watch out for to the downside, if in case it manages to break this, is 19,200. Second will be 18,600. Sorry, 18,000. I mentioned 19,000 previously. 18,600. Third will be 18,650. Sorry, 18,500. So these will be the three levels to watch out for in case Nifty breaks down of this doji candle. Again, the breakdown breakout on the higher side is important of these levels to watch out for. If it trades between this range, this will be a dangerous market to trade in. It can break out in either side, and no one can you might go in and see other YouTube videos or might hear to other analysts. Some you would be hearing would be very bullish for Nifty, some you would be hearing very bearish for Nifty, but this is a guarantee that no one can be 100% sure whether market will go up or go down in the next week. We have to watch out for these levels of this doji candle to break first, because it is important. And if you go back and check my video last week, the last weekly video that I uploaded last weekend, I talked about the Nifty might consolidate. So I already predicted this consolidation. In the last video, I mentioned that since we had such a sharp downfall, Nifty should stop here and consolidate before making a further move, whether it will be upside or downside. So it has done exactly what I predicted last week. So let's wait and watch of these levels. Let's ensure that Nifty closes above or below these levels before it makes next move. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. If you like it, click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, click on subscribe and hit the bell icon for the further notifications of the videos. And please leave the comments in the comment box. Thank you. Bye-bye.